Here we are at Pacific Airshow. Snowbirds just returned from their performance, headlining the Pacific Airshow 2025. Love to go on the other side, but I don't want to bug these guys. I think that this is nice. The light's pretty good. You can kind of see what's happening. Fueling up. These snowbirds are great, and they're such cool people. They've got such good spirit. I don't know if you call it laid back, because they're pretty great at what they do, but they're happy people. They're just friendly. Not that our teams aren't, right? But they just have a little different attitude, I think, toward everything, which is cool. Kind of like me, like my attitude. I'm going to give this fueler a wide berth here. Debrief afterwards. Here we are. There's the Los Alamitos Army Airfield Tower, my hometown airport. Take a look back into the sun, so won't see things that greatly. There you go.